Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Chidera, for those of you who do not know, and in today's video I'm going to be DIYing this pair of jeans. And I was kind of inspired by these patchwork jeans that I saw online for about £3,000, so I wanted to see if I could do like my own rendition of it. So that is what I'm going to be doing. As you may know, I cannot sew, but I did want to try like these cargo style pockets on these jeans. So I am going to attempt to sew them on. What I'm going to do is like pin them on first, just to kind of keep them in place, and then I'm going to try and like hand sew them. So wish me luck. I will update you once I've done that. I'm not quite sure who the artist is that does the wave print, but this is like a very popular like painting slash print, and this packet had like a variation of these print styles of the waves of like the sun and kind of like nature vibe, which I liked. Also like the fact that the colors are very vibrant as well, and this was a pack of 12 patches. This next pack of patches was just too cute to pass up, and it is this pack of spacemen. I liked how it was just, again, varying sizes, and the fact that I got these for £10 and it comes like a pack of 35, so that was pretty handy, and I knew that it would help to fill up the jeans as well. However, this next pack was extremely disappointing. It was a pack of like mixed patches, like randomized, which I would not recommend because I feel like they just kind of didn't really give like an accurate description of what would be in the box, in the packet, I mean, and the images that are shown on the site didn't match what I received. I think the cutedness really took me all the way out, but in saying that, there were like very few like cute patches, but overall very disappointing. If you've watched my Budapest vlog, then you would have seen these 3 little patches, and I thought it would be like a nice way to kind of pay homage to that trip by including some of these patches on the jeans. The next set of patches are actually from Temu, and this was my first time ordering from that site, but I couldn't quite find all the patches that I wanted on Amazon, so I ended up kind of searching on there by chance, and I ended up finding like quite a few nice patches like these bears, which I really like. I also liked just like the variation and the vibrancy of the patches I was getting, and obviously like the cost was a lot cheaper than it was on Amazon, so that was pretty handy as well. But in saying that, the delivery did take quite a long time to come, so that was the only disappointing factor in ordering from Temu. But overall, happy with the patches that came from there, the variety and just the mix of them. I won't lie, at first I wasn't really like excited to get this next pack, just because it was like a lot of words and that kind of thing, which I wasn't really interested in. But I did get this pack in particular because I love this Polaroid patch. I also liked the fact that it had this God is Good pack, which, you know, God is good, no surprise, so that was nice that they included that in there as well. And I like this little bear that you will see come up in like a couple of patches, but also like the overall nature vibe as well, which kind of suited and complemented all the other patches I was getting. So I knew that these would work well, especially with like the colors and that running through it. I knew they would work well with all the other patches that I had gotten. Once I had finished unboxing all the patches, I kind of wanted to like lay them out and kind of play around with how I would want them to lay on the jeans, because I'm kind of like a visual person, so I kind of need to see what it looks like before I started ironing on any patches. And this was like a fun little activity. I was very happy with the way they laid, so then I began to iron. And this is where I ran into a few problems at first, because first of all, when I laid them out, I laid them on my bed, which is not like the flattest of surfaces, obviously. And then I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use like something to cover it, but that was not ironing on the patches. So I used the iron straight onto the patches, and then it started actually working. So progress. In order to actually iron them on, you kind of have to hold down like with quite a bit of force for about 30 seconds on each like section that you do iron on. And then I kind of went back over them just to ensure like everything was like smoothed out as well, because I was working in sections. Some of them would get like a little bit more creased than others, but this was like a pretty good method for me and worked out well. And in the end, I also like the way that the words kind of like added to the overall look of these jeans. I feel like they added like a bit of balance and kind of complemented the overall imagery that was running throughout them. I decided to just do the patches on one side of the jeans because I don't know, I feel like doing it on both sides kind of takes away from the overall look and would make it too much, like too overwhelming. So I just kept the back simple with one patch and then a little spaceman coming out of the pocket, which I think was a cute little addition and detail. Once I finished ironing on the patches, then I had to flip the jeans inside out to iron on the back side just to make sure they were like nice and secured and wouldn't be coming off. And this was the completed look. I'm so happy with these and the way they came out. I'm excited to wear them and I just think they are so cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video or were inspired in some way. If you are looking to create your own pair of patchwork jeans, then I have linked all the patches that I bought in order to create these jeans in the description. So do check that out and consider liking, subscribing for more fashion related content from me, and comment down below what video you'd want to see next. Goodbye and God bless. I'll be seeing you in my next video.